Hello, welcome to the craft edition of Paper and Joy. So this month we are making a body bath salt scrub. So something a little bit luxurious. Got some beautiful essential oils in there and some lemon peel for a bit of featured colour and also obviously for that beautiful fragrance. So let's go and whip up a batch for you to enjoy. Okay, so in your kits you will get a bowl and a spoon. You'll get your salt and coconut oil, some essential oils, and the fragrance I have is tea rose, and a little container of dried lemon and mandarin peel for a bit of extra interest so we can see it through the salts and also obviously for that beautiful fragrance. Alright, so let's get started. So it's going to be sort of reasonably quick. What you will need to do, so I've pre-done this one, is just melt your coconut oil a little bit in the microwave. So it doesn't need to be super runny, but just so that it's not thick and can stir nicely into the salts. If you want to recreate the recipe, it's 1 part salt to 1/2 part coconut oil. All right, so you can pour both of those into your bowl. And we can add, so if you'd like to add the lemon and also a few drops of the essential oil. And obviously if you do this again yourself, you can fragrance it up how you'd like. See if we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, say 10 drops. You can always add a bit more later if it's not quite as fragranced as we'd like. All right, and now just stir that up nicely. Also works well really nicely with like pink Himalayan salt as well, if you happen to have that and like to make some of those in the future again. Alright, I'm just going to give this a sniff. Nice. So I can smell the lemon, I can smell the rose, the tea rose through that. So that's nice. It's not overpowering, so 10 drops is good. Now grab your containers back. So I have given you plastic ones because I figured, yes, glass might look a bit nicer, but the thought of, you know, dropping glass and breaking in the shower is not something that I thought was a good idea. So plastic for the practical purposes. And you can spoon that, so do 1/2 and 1/2. Spoon that back into your container. Obviously the coconut oil will set a little bit, particularly at this current time of year. When I'm filming, it is winter time. Not quite 1/2 and 1/2, but there we go. All right, so there we have some nice bath salts for you. They aren't recommended for faces, so just be, you know, mindful of that. It is a body salt. A little bit of luxury for you. smooth your hands, smooth some pumicey feet. Yeah, just give your body an all nice round little treatment, a little bit of luxury for you. So I hope you enjoyed making that and hope you enjoy using that. All right, I'll see you next time.